You're driving me, but you're heading for all the animals. What are you doing heading for that horse? Watch out! Another horse!
What are those mushrooms?
Oh, they're sneaky mushrooms. Happy hops. Sweetie pies. Sweetie pie peas. Look at the sweetie pie peas. Pigs playing in mud. They look happy. And a little creepy. Prince Valiant grapes. Oh, what's this? Starry-eyed strawberries and mixed grain. Ragtime rhubarb.
Howdy, folks. Look over here and smile. We're going to take your picture. Thanks now. Remember, when you exit the ride, go to Henrietta's photo booth and see your
Look out for the mushrooms.
Howdy, folks. Look over here and smile. We're going to take your picture.
Look at those giant carrots. Squash, and curry kale, lazy maize, Peter Piper peppers, red rover cabbage, and then topsy-turvy tomatoes, sprightly sprouts, buckaroo broccoli, awfully good asparagus, wet and wild mushroom, watermelons, chatterbox cucumbers.